Hello everyone, in this video we are just going to demonstrate DC and AC ammeter available in instruments cluster of Proteus 9 professional software. Let's get started. So in the previous video we just demonstrated and built this particular circuit where we just learned how you can use DC and AC voltmeter for measuring the voltages at different points across the circuit that you have built. And in this video we are just going to see how you can measure the current that is flowing in the circuit. So as usual, you can just click on the instruments icon right over here in the left panel, that is the left vertical panel, and this icon is nothing but virtual instruments mode panel, and here you have n number of meters and measurement instruments that you can utilize. Among that, just select the DC ammeter and you can place that particular ammeter. Just make a left click in the ammeter and just zooming in the circuit a bit. Now just make a left click in the DC ammeter. You can see this is the ammeter. Just make a left click in the schematic after making the left click in the virtual instruments mode tab, DC ammeter, and place the ammeter wherever you want, like this. If you place it above the wire, that will be automatically connected, else you just need to break the wire and you need to connect the ammeter in series in the circuit. So that is very important. If you are measuring the current using ammeter, you need to connect the ammeter in series to the circuit, and if you are measuring a voltmeter, you just need to connect it in parallel to the circuit. That is the basic principle of connecting an ammeter and an voltmeter in the circuit. Now when I run the simulation, you can see the current is measured. So it is showing 0.01 amps, and this is rated at ampere, so it is showing very little amps. Just double click or right click on the ammeter and click on edit properties. Now you can change the display range from amps to milliamps so that you can visually see the milliamperes that is flowing in the circuit. Here we have just connected only 3 LEDs in series, so the current will be very less, that is in milliamps usually. So I'm just running the simulation. Now you can see the current consumed is 10.5 milliampere. That is the current flowing in this particular circuit, where a 9-volt battery is powering 3 LEDs, 3 yellow LEDs connected in series. So this is how you can measure current that is flowing in the circuit using a DC ammeter. And similarly we have an AC ammeter. So this is the AC ammeter, and you can also change the ampere, kiloamperes, milliamperes or microamperes display range in this particular ammeter as usual, or as we did in the DC ammeter. And this particular ammeter you can connect in an AC circuit for measuring the alternating current that is flowing in a circuit. So this is how you can just measure the current that is flowing in the circuit, whether this is an DC current or AC current, using DC ammeter or AC ammeter that is already available in virtual instruments mode tab of Proteus professional software. I hope you learned something new in this particular video. See you in the next video. Thanks for watching.